This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections and inputs, so you eliminate simple faults. Once done, press Windows plus P and cycle modes to force detection. Make sure to try duplicate then extend. Next, open display settings and click Identify so you know which screen is labeled 1 or 2. If the internal display is off or unrecognized, disconnect the external monitor briefly. This forces the system to re-enumerate displays and gives you a clean state to continue troubleshooting. You now adjust software configuration to restore the intended primary display. In Display Settings, choose the screen you want and check, Make this my main display. Rearrange monitors by drag and drop so cursor flow matches physical layout. Then update GPU drivers or roll back if a recent update caused the issue. Use Device Manager or NVIDIA/Intel/AMD control panels. Make sure to also check multi-monitor settings in the GPU utility. Since vendor profiles, to finish, eliminate lingering software conflicts by performing a clean boot or starting in safe mode. If the internal display returns, a startup app or service caused the problem. Try the external monitor and cable on another computer to rule out hardware failure, and swap adapters like DisplayPort to HDMI. If nothing works, reset display settings or use system restore to a point before the issue. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Boot with only the internal display connected to confirm whether the external monitor is forcing single-screen output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.